Well, here is the completed knife. This was designed by myself and with the help of two other friends who were deer stalkers. They requested a longer blade and a slimmer blade to allow them to do the tasks that a deer stalker needs. But the knife does lend itself to a large variety of cutting tasks. So virtually anything really that you could use the knife for in the countryside, in the outdoors. Maybe perhaps it's not the best knife to use for splitting and battening. There is another tool you can use for that, and I'll let you into a secret because some of the bushcrafters out there don't know that, but there's this tool called an axe, and it makes a really superior splitting tool compared to a knife. But this knife anyway, back to the knife now, it has flat scales. If I have thicker wood, I'll use Coke bottle. I'll Coke bottle shape the handles as I have done with this knife. This has got stabilised massa birch scales. Bob Lovelace invented the Coke bottle shape back in the 20th century. But it's a personal choice as to whether you like that or not. Some people don't like the Coke bottle, some people prefer the flat scales. It's one of those 50-50 decisions. But back to the knife, it can be used for anything really that you could use a knife for, from peeling apples to preparing game, or even slicing and dicing your veg for your stew over the campfire. So that's the Jacklore Hunter Gatherer.